Chapter 9 Introduction to Small Basic. Learning Objectives. What is Small Basic? Working with Small Basic, components of Small Basic window, creating a program in Small Basic, saving and running a program, creating a new program, opening an existing program, publishing a program, input and output statements, library functions. Introduction. A computer is a machine which cannot work on its own. It is always dependent on the instructions given to it to work. This set of instructions is known as a program. A program is written using a language called programming language. Today, we will discuss about one such programming language called Small Basic. What is Small Basic? Small Basic, also known as Microsoft Small Basic, is a very simple and easy to use programming language. This language is especially designed for beginners who wants to learn programming. It is based on its previous version, Basic Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. But it is simpler and comes with various new features. Small Basic has a standard library and lots of new features such as matrices, algebra functions, powerful string library, etc. It provides an integrated development environment, IDE, which is an editor window where you type the program code and run it. Fact file. A Small Basic is a programming language which was developed by Microsoft and released for distribution in July 2011. Working with Small Basic. Steps to open a Small Basic program are: click Start button, click Small Basic option, select Microsoft Small Basic. A Small Basic window appears on the screen. Components of Small Basic window. A Small Basic window mainly consists of three parts: Editor, Toolbar, and Help area. Editor. Editor window is the area where you create a program code. Toolbar. Toolbar consists of various tools required to create, open, save, and execute programs. Help area. Help area provides information as you type the program code. Creating a program in Small Basic. Let us create a simple program in Small Basic. Open Small Basic window. Click in the editor window. A cursor appears at line 1. Type the program code as shown in the figure. As you type, a pop-up window appears called IntelliSense on the screen as shown in the figure below. IntelliSense window displays various commands, their descriptions and syntaxes in Help window. Fact file. The editor window you are currently working with is called Active Editor. You can go through the commands in IntelliSense, select the required one, and press Enter key from the keyboard. Type the first line of program code and press Enter key to move to the next line. Similarly, you can type the other lines of program code. Saving a program. Once you type the whole program, you can save it in your computer. Steps to save a program are: go to File Group and select Save As option. A Save As dialog box appears on the screen. Select the location where you want to save the Small Basic file. Specify the name of file in File Name text box. Click the Save button. Fact file. In Small Basic, a file is saved with an extension .smallbasic or .sb. Running a program. To execute the program and get the result, you need to run it. Steps to run the program are: go to Program Group and click on the Run option. A command window opens with the result displayed on the window. Shortcut key. A shortcut key to run a program is F5. Creating a new program. Steps to create a new program are: go to File Group, click the New option. A new untitled editor window appears on the screen. Opening an existing program. Steps to open an existing program in Small Basic are: go to File Group and click the Open option. An Open dialog box appears. Select the name of the file and click the Open button. Publishing a program. You can publish a small basic program on the internet so that others can view it. It also allows them to run the published program on their systems. Steps to publish a program are: click the Publish option from Web Group. Your program will be published and a dialog box appears on the screen which provides you an ID for your program, which can be shared with friends, and a link to view it. Input and output statements. Input statements are those statements which are used to get the input from the user. Output statements are those statements which are used to display the output. The input and output statements used in Small Basic are: input statements. Read. Read is an input statement which is used to read the line of text from the text window. It accepts input in the form of string value. For example, name is equal to text window dot read. Here name is a variable. Read number. Read number is an input statement which is used to read numeric values. These numeric values can be integer or floating point number, decimal numbers. For example, roll number is equal to text window dot read number. Here roll number is a variable. Output statements. Write line. Write line is an output statement which is used to write the line of text in the text window. If a text is written in double quotation marks, it will be printed as the same. If anything is written without the quotation mark, its value is printed. For example, text window dot write line, I am working in Small Basic. Write. Write is an output statement which works same as write line statement, except that write line shifts the pointer to next line after producing the output, but write statement makes the pointer stay on the same line only. For example, text window dot write, I am working in Small Basic. Let us create a Small Basic program to read your personal details, name, age, and class, and print them using input and output statements. After creating a program, save it and run it. The output of the program is displayed as library functions. Library functions are built-in functions which are collected together and placed at the same location, called library. These functions are used to perform various operations. Some library functions used in Small Basic are given below. Mathematical functions. Function. Explanation. Math.abs number. It returns the absolute value of a given number. Math.pi. It returns the value of pi. Math.floor number. It returns the integer value that is smaller than or equal to a decimal number you specified. Math.log number. It returns the logarithm of a specified number. Math.min number 1, number 2. It compares two numbers and identifies smallest of them. Math.max number 1, number 2. It compares two numbers and identifies greatest of them. Math.square root number. It returns the square root of the number you have specified. Math.remainder number 1, number 2. It divides two whole numbers and returns the remainder. Let us create a Small Basic program to find the minimum of two numbers. Clock functions. Function. Explanation. Clock.time. It returns the current system time. Clock.date. It returns the current system date. Clock.year. It returns the current year. Clock.month. It returns the current month. Clock.day. It returns the current day of the month. Clock.weekday. It returns the current day of the week. Clock.hour. It returns the current hour. Clock.minute. It returns the current minute. Let us create a program to display the current day of week and current day of month. Quick backup. A program is written using a language called programming language. Small Basic, also known as Microsoft Small Basic, is a very simple and easy to use programming language. To execute the program and get the result, you need to run it. You can publish a small basic program on the internet so that others can view it. Input statements are those statements which are used to get the input from the user. Read number is an input statement which is used to read numeric values. Write line is an output statement which is used to write the line of text in the text window. Library functions are built-in functions which are collected together and placed at the same location called library.